This is a Fox 17 winter weather alert.
Okay, welcome back, everybody. We've got this winter weather alert, not for a big storm, but for some freezing mist slash drizzle later on tonight. And do anticipate that with the temperatures in the upper 20s, there can certainly be some slick surfaces out and about, and some of those surfaces could be roadways, so watch it as we go forth. We've got this deep, dark overcast, and I actually have noticed a couple very, very fine flurries here throughout the morning and early afternoon. Not a whole lot. I mean, you got to look real hard to notice it, and at times you're not noticing anything, so the majority of today just completely dry. But as we progress forward here, particularly towards 9, 10, 11 o'clock, there is going to be a better prospect for areas of freezing drizzle and mist to come about. Again, precipitation amounts are going to be hard to come by. You're really not even going to measure much of anything in the rain gauge here. But again, with temperatures in the upper 20s, there can be some slipperiness there early on Tuesday morning, so be aware of it. We've got a winter weather advisory that goes from 8 p.m. tonight officially until noon on Tuesday. So freezing drizzle and mist. Could there be a few flurries mixed in as well? It's possible. The atmosphere very marginal in terms of its temperatures aloft and also the depth of moisture. That's really the main factor in allowing it to come down in the form of mist or drizzle as opposed to just a plain snow. Behind that, tomorrow afternoon, we're probably going to struggle again with these temperatures and underachieve, I would think. So a high maybe 33, perhaps 34 on Tuesday, but it'll be upper 30s to near 40 degrees Wednesday and Thursday. And then this next system that will be arriving from the west, this also is not going to be a big weather maker for us in terms of a huge amounts of rain or snow, but there will be a chance with snow showers through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Details still a little bit of unclear, but there could be some light accumulations at that time. This is for this evening. Again, 8 p.m. to noon on Tuesday. Freezing drizzle is expected to develop. And why would that be? Well, this black dashed line out to our northwest, that is a trough of low pressure. Folks, where's all the moisture with it, though? I mean, it just doesn't have a whole lot. As it drops southward, crosses Lake Michigan, picks up a little bit of moisture off of the lake. We'll deposit it in the form of freezing mist and drizzle later on tonight. This is the system here in the southeast U.S. that was over Texas and Louisiana yesterday at this time, producing a lot of snow for those folks and even some mixed precipitation. But that has weakened. The system has sheared out, and it's going to be exiting off into the Atlantic shortly. Some of the coldest temperatures on this map, literally right over our viewing area. There's a cold pocket of air aloft and manifesting in temps that have been underachieving. Folks, we have had a southwest wind today at 10 to as high as 20 miles per hour. Not that common with that direction to see temps fall off. We've actually been dropping a degree or two here or there ever since this morning. So very interesting, but clearly you could see the surrounding environment is not that cold. So we're going to rebound a little bit tomorrow and more so for Wednesday and Thursday. Signs of colder air in northern Canada. There's been a lot of talk in the weather community about perhaps a much colder pattern setting up for later in January. Still, the jury is out on that. Differences in the models, but it does look like we're going to be trending cooler, perhaps colder by this weekend and beyond. Temps in the upper 20s right now, even colder. This is that colder pocket of air materializing in the mid-20s. Kalamazoo, Battle Creek. How about some sections in the lower 20s here there in Van Buren County? So that's something else with a southwest wind around 15 miles per hour. Wind chills, they're down there. I mean, have your winter coat headed out this evening. So it seems really cold to be getting freezing drizzle and not snow, but it seems as though that is likely to be the case later on tonight. This is the model at 7, 8, 9 o'clock. It's showing snow in terms of any moisture being picked up. And again, even if it was snow, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So if you get freezing drizzle when it's showing snow, and that's due to the moisture depth in the atmosphere, very shallow, so the clouds can't allow for the moisture to form into ice crystals and produce snow. In fact, it comes down as drizzle, and we're going to get a little bit of a glaze out there in spots for this late evening and overnight. Annie will have more on that to come, and then that system late Thursday. It's a majority of Thursday's dry, but late Thursday evening into Friday can kick off some flurries and snow showers. More on that to come. Will be cooler by the weekend.
Okay, Anthony, thank you. 12,000